तो हम जा रहे हैं वांजे। आसपास सिर्फ और सिर्फ जंगल ही जंगल है। कहाँ जगह ढूंढ के बैठे हो तुम लोग? और मैं जीत गई।
दया कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया।
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, जैसा कि तुम पढ़ सकते हो टाइटल से, I am going on like a picnic kind of thing with my colleagues. आज मौसम हो रहा है बहुत अच्छा, although it's not as warm, 18 degrees I guess, but it's still good. So हम जा रहे हैं वांजे और मैं लिटरली जब से यूनिवर्सिटी खत्म हुई है उसके बाद अब जा रही हूँ, मतलब वो रूट पे अब जा रही हूँ। भाई मैं जिन लोगों के साथ जा रही हूँ ना वो आज क्रेजी हो रखे हैं। वो यहाँ से वांजे से बस लेके ऐसे ही निकले और पता नहीं कहाँ पहुँच गए हैं। भाई ये पता नहीं किस जगह इन लोगों ने स्पॉट ढूंढा है। आसपास सिर्फ और सिर्फ जंगल ही जंगल है, which looks like a jungle, I'm not sure. भाई देखो यहाँ पहुँची हूँ मैं अभी। पता नहीं कहाँ है रास्ता। वो देखो वो रही सामने सी, यहाँ पे भी डिसाइड कर सकते थे रुकने का। तो व्यू सो गुड दो, और अब थोड़े लोग भी दिखने लग गए हैं, नॉट एज सेक्लूडेड एनी मोर। वरना जैसे एंट्रेंस थी ना वहाँ पे तो पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कहाँ है ये रास्ता, बट नाउ इट्स गुड, इट्स रियली गुड। बट स्टिल इन लोग यहाँ पर भी कहीं जगह ढूंढ सकते थे और आगे आगे चलते जाओ। ये देखो भाई कहाँ जगह ढूंढ के बैठे हो तुम लोग? Finally, I found these people in some corner, which is very beautiful, by the way. Hi, Floor. Hi, Deepsha. Hello, Pooja. अब मैं जरा जाने वाली हूँ थोड़ा अपने पैर ठंडे करने। Let's go. Should have wore some shorts or something. Woo, cold. It is cold. So beautiful. There are supposed to be so many people here, but it's just the four of us now. Leah is also not coming. So yeah, it's just gonna be us.
And we are gonna be very mad at Leah. So what we'll do is we will and one grape.
समझती हूँ, रुको फिर बताती हूँ तुम लोगों को, रुक जाओ। भाई देखो, this is what Deepsha has brought. We literally thought so many people are coming, so we have this, and Pooja has brought veg puffs, and I have brought this. Although it's not as much, but still corn chart. You try the corn chart and tell me if it's too spicy for you.
I already tried.
You tried?
It was really okay.
That's good. She's used to the spices. Let's try this now. Oh, this is like Meg Puff. Meg Puff, right? We have this Meg Puff in India. That's like something like this, a bit longer. But so good, nice. We have so much food, but only 4 people. Yeah, we all finally understood it. We have all gotten chips, जिसमें हमारे पास फ्रूट्स के नेम्स हैं। हमें इसमें से ना सेम बनाना है, और जो अलग है वो हम पास कर सकते हैं। Let's see this one. I give it to her, right?
Or say show
Yeah.
once you're done
Yeah, I'm
with
done.
making a pair.
I'm done.
Then we'll say show.
Show, and should I put it? Show.
And then I'll say show.
But it's okay.
It's okay, just put.
You have to just put a show.
Then just say put your hand.
And now what?
And now we'll score.
We'll score.
You'll be having 1,000 points. I'll be having
No,
800.
I'm the second one.
So you're okay.
What? So
has
even if we
1,000.
do the four, we can put our hands.
Yeah.
So
You're
I'm
the first one to finish. You're the last one to finish. She has 1,000. She has 800, 600, and then 400.
Okay.
But it doesn't matter even if like
Others
you
are done or
have-
not. No.
or if they have like more pairs, 3, somebody have 4.
No, doesn't matter. They just have to be attentive to just put a hand on your hand.
Okay.
Okay.
So जिसके पहले 4 बन जाएंगे, they have to put their hand and say
Now put the
show,
Okay.
and then
Show.
rest of them have to say हाथ रखो फटाफट। और मैं जीत गई with banana. We're playing Never Have I Ever right now, and it's going too wild. That's too wild right now. Guys, अभी हम इतनी देर से खेल रहे थे Never Have I Ever, which was way too much fun. और अभी हम लोग जो पुराने वाली गेम है उसका टोटल कर रहे हैं. हो गया?
I'm the winner. Upasna is the second.
Are you really the winner?
Audience, she counted herself as a winner. It's cheating.
Yeah, you can check it.
Cheating.
We can check it.
I am the winner.
Daya, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Daya, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
It's good.
I taught the game. How can I not win in this? So
Because she was focusing on कि बाकी को कैसे हराऊं. How shall I make the other people lose? That's what she was focusing on.
so you're
Cut.
not recording it.
Controversial. So cute. Look at them.
We are in the nature.
They literally came back for us.
They want more peanuts. They want more peanuts.
It's already dark. यहाँ पे already बहुत बढ़िया sunset हो रहा है. It's really beautiful. We're wrapping up everything. अब हम लोग यहाँ से निकल रहे हैं. Like निकल चुके हैं already. And we literally have 40 minutes of walk because Sunday. So Sundays को वहाँ पे public transport थोड़ी कम चल रही होती है. आधे घंटे की वॉक के बाद हमें डस्टबिन मिला है.
I mean, the people can take out the glass bottles because it's fun.
Yeah, fun. हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं एस निकोला से. कितने ट्राइज के बाद एक अच्छी फोटो आई है. ये दिखाओ अच्छी फोटो दिखाओ. अच्छी फोटो. Here it is. Finally, with everybody's face in it. Floor is making copies.
I got one cut here
Bhavat
also.
Bhikshan Dehi.
What?
Biksham Dehi.
Bhavat Bhikshan Dehi.
Biksham Dehi.
भिक्षाम देही.
Yeah, it's like
That's what Ravana called, I think.
कि हमें भिक्षाम दे दो.
Biksham Dehi.
भिक्षा दो. Yeah. Thank you, Floor. She's printing so many copies for us. हम लोग already अपनी next trip plan कर रहे हैं.
Thursday morning, let's all have a morning shift.
Yeah.
So we can all take a bus.
We're planning for
Thursday.
Prague. Let's see if it happens. I guess we all work at the same place, so हमें same time पे off मिलने का भी है.
It's like quite difficult to get
Yeah, for so many people. मैं हमें एक फोटो मिली. वहाँ पे दिखाना.
ये वाली.
I'm looking fucking creepy.
I think it was because I didn't care how I looked and somehow they didn't care as they looked. और वो ऐसी कहीं बह रही थी.
She threw it away, guys.
I did not. Okay, it's my session. Bye, guys. Reach home safe. Bye, bye. See you. Yeah. It's literally 11, but it doesn't feel like it because obviously summers हो गई हैं. But I just love summers in Europe because रात के 9-10 बज रहे होंगे और तब भी लाइट होगी, अंधेरा नहीं होगा. आज I literally did so much. सुबह I was doing cleaning and then I made these corn chaat और फिर I got ready and then I left for this picnic thingy. So yeah, too much already. I'm literally so tired right now. So I'm gonna just go home, sleep because I have work tomorrow. But it was so much fun. इस vlog के लिए इतना ही. Until the next one, bye bye. Take care.